This lab furnace is specially designed for customers from the United Arab Emirates to handle glass, fiber, and resins material. The special furnace material can prevent the smoke corrosion during the sintering process. With the exhaust port, customers can connect their own exhaust treatment device to prevent the smoke from being discharged directly into the atmosphere. Although the furnace chamber is very small, unlike other manufacturers who embed the heating wire in the furnace chamber, we use independent heating wires with protective sleeves, which can extend the service life of the heating element. Customer can replace the heating element without replacing the entire furnace chamber, which is more convenient and can save cost.